Chippy, bring
Did you
the...
hear that? Ask for the meow. Bing bing! Chippy! Bing bing!
I think Ginger get
Oh my gosh.
them.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared of them.
Let's I think Ginger brought them into the baba
Okay, let's go.
because I
Bing
see
bing!
because lagi ko silang nasisi yung mga cats doon, right?
Bing bing!
Mga ming. Let's get out.
I remember I saw the last time I saw Oreo and Sunshine was down there.
Oh, I see the last cat in there. Diba nakita natin?
I'm gonna go down.
Yung isang cat nandoon na.
Oh my gosh! Ginger? Ginger's here. Bing bing! Where's your kittens? Oh, let's find them.
I think somebody took them.
I don't know. Bing bing!
I think it's hard to find all the kittens.
Bing bing! Bing bing!
You are right. Let's find in here. Let's find.
Bing bing! Bing bing! Oh, look down in the heart. Look down in the heart. Nothing.
Let's find all the kittens.
Bing bing!
I think they are kidnapped.
Catnap.
Catnip.
Bing bing! Oh, stages.
Sun- Sunshine.
Oreo, Sunshine.
Where are you? I think they are kidnapped.
Look at here. Let's try to look there. You might go in there.
No, there's nothing. Where should
Oh
we? I think they're lost. Do you?
Let's go up to the second floor.
Alam mo.
Last time I saw them, I saw Oreo and Sunshine was here.
Was there?
Yeah.
I don't know who bring the
Try
cat.
to look there. Nothing.
Why we are?
Let's ask Ginger. Ginger, where's your kittens?
Did you kidnap him?
No. She said no.
There's, I think they are kidnapped.
What the heck was that?
There's a people who is.
Okay, come here. Come with me. Let's just blood Ginger.
If we block Ginger, we're gonna see the kittens, right?
We're gonna block Ginger. 3, 2, 1. Cut your video and I'm gonna block. Then make a new